Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iOS 26 stuck on preparing update. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to update your iOS version, but you're having the issue that your iOS 26 has been stuck on preparing updates, let's see how can you fix the issue. So very first, you have to double check your network connection because these type errors might help with their poor and unstable network connections, so you have to try to enable and disable your airplane mode, or you can also try to switch between your Wi-Fi to cellular data or cellular data to Wi-Fi. If you're using cellular data, so I recommend that you have to try to use Wi-Fi because Wi-Fi might be fast for updating software. And once you have done, you just have to go to your settings app, and here go to general and go for software update, and you have to make sure if your issue has been fixed or not. And once you have refreshed your network, you have to wait for almost 5 to 10 minutes, and after that you can check, or you can also make a reset into your network settings. So go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, and here you just have to enter your passcode, and after that just select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up, and it will reset your network settings including your Bluetooth, your Wi-Fi and cellular data. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this, and after that your issue will be fixed. Or if this doesn't work for you, so you can also check your VPN connection if you're connected to VPN. So you have to disconnect with your VPN, and after that you have to double check for your iPhone storage that you have enough storage, at most 10 to 15 GB free in your iPhone storage to download and install the update. Or if you have a large update, so you have to make sure that you have enough storage up to 5 GB more than your update, and after that you can easily try to update your software. Or if this doesn't work for you, so you have to make a hard reset to your iPhone. So let's see how can you do that. You have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. So you have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So once your phone has been restarted, so now unlock your phone, and then you have to go to your settings application and go for general again and go for software update again, and you have to restart your software update. But very first you have to recheck your network connection because these type issues might have with unstable or poor network connection. So you have to reset your network connection first, and after that you can restart your update and you will not get the same issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.